transfer the bill to someone else. Drawer can give the bill to someone else, and someone else will receive money from me. Not clear?
No, sir.
Okay. I told you that, okay, not some other person. Let's take an example between us. Let's say you have drawn a bill. You have written a bill on me, okay, and I have accepted a bill and returned it to you, okay.
Okay, sir.
So who is drawer? Who is drawing?
Me.
Yes, you are. What?
Drawing.
No, you are drawer because you have written the bill. You will receive the money.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Draw.
Okay, and I have accepted the bill to pay. That's why I am drawing.
Oh, okay, sir. I am
Okay.
drawer. You're drawing.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. After that, you have also you have to pay someone else some money.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you have given your bill to one of your friend for collection, or that you have to pay some money to him. So that's why you have given this bill to your friend. Let's take any other friend name you have.
Naina.
Okay, Naina. So you have written a bill on me, and I have accepted and returned the bill to you. And you have given this bill to Naina. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now on the last date, after 2 months, okay, the bill time is 2 months. After 2 months, who will come to collect the money from me?
Naina.
Naina, because Naina has the bill now. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the money received by the person is called pay.
The money received.
The person who will receive the money from drawee is called pay.
Okay, sir.
Who will receive the money? Naina. Okay, so Naina is the pay.
Okay, sir.
And if you have not transferred the bill to Naina, and if you have kept the bill yourself, then who will receive the money?
Me.
You?
Yes, sir. I have the.
Yes.
I have the.
So in that case, you are drawer and you are also the pay.
Okay, sir.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the concept which is related to bill. We have a separate chapter for bills. Okay, we will discuss these concepts in detail in that chapter, but we have to understand the topic only in these concepts.
Okay, sir.
So now we will continue with our bills receivable book. Okay, so in bills receivable book, do you have your book with you right now?
Textbook.
Yes, textbook.
1 minute. Yes.
Okay. Now, okay. So there is a format for bills. Actually, there is no question given for bill. That's that is what I'm trying to find. Can you see any question in your book for bills receivable or bills payable? Yes. Actually, there is no question in my book.
It's the same book. Can't find any.
No questions.
I yes. Sorry.
There is no question for bills receivable and bills payable.
No, sir, I can't find it.
Yes, in my book, it is also not given. So leave the concept. You have understood the concept, what is bills payable and bills receivable book. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The last concept of this chapter is called proper journal.
Proper journal.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is proper journal? So we have classified our books into different categories: cash book, purchase book, sales book, purchase return, and sales return. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if there is any transaction which is not covered or not written in any of these books, then these transactions will be written in proper journal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, let me give you some example for this and tell me in which book these transactions will be recorded. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Cash purchase of goods. Which book?
Cash book, sir.
Cash book. Very good. Credit purchase of goods.
Purchase books.
Purchase book. Very good. Cash purchase of furniture.
Purchase books. Oh, cash
What?
books. Cash book. Cash book.
Okay. And credit purchase of furniture.
Purchase books.
Okay. Sale of machine on credit.
Sales books, sir.
Very good. Outstanding rent.
Proper book. Proper.
Proper journal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And goods taken for personal use.
Proper journal, sir.
Okay. Now, first three transaction is recorded in separate books. First three transaction. This is cash book because this is cash transaction. This is credit purchase of goods. That's why purchase book. The third is also a cash transaction. That's why cash book. But the fourth one will go to proper journal. And you told me that it is going to purchase.
Purchase.
So that answer is incorrect. Do you have question in mind that why?
Because it's furnitures.
Yes, because it's furniture, and the next transaction is machine, which is not goods for us. Only purchase or sale of goods is recorded in purchase book or sales book.
So has the assets won't be recorded?
Yes. So if assets is purchased on credit or asset is sold on credit, then these transaction will be recorded in proper journal.
Okay.
Outstanding rent, because there is no cash payment or receipt, so it will also go to proper journal. Next is goods taken for personal use. It is the drawing, okay, and there is no cash related to this. That's why it will also go to proper journal. Is this clear?
Yes.
So again, the transaction which is not written in any of the other books, actually you have to write this definition for this. So transaction which are not recorded in any other book then it is recorded in proper journal. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what about format? How to prepare the format? Format is same as the journal entry. The first is date, then particular, and then amount, debit amount and credit amount. So date, particular, LF, debit amount and credit amount. This is proper journal. Okay, is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, the format is same. Now, there are some classification for recorded in proper journal. Okay. Types of transaction or types of entry, you can say. So the first entry is opening entry. The second is closing entry. The third is transfer entry. And the fourth one is miscellaneous entries. And apart from these four, there are some other also: adjustment, and rectification entries. Okay.
Yes.
Now, what is opening entry? Now, let's understand this, that after completion of a year, in the beginning of next year, there is some balance left in our book. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
There will be some balance because it is not like that we have shut down our business in previous year. So there will be some balance left in previous year, which will be carried forwarded to the current year. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can you tell me which types of account has balance, which is carry forwarded next year?
Which type of account?
Has balance, which is carry forwarded to the next year.
Sales book?
Types of account, sales book. Okay, can you tell me types of account? How many types of account there?
So I don't understand. Oh, what are types of account?
Okay, you don't remember types of account?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you remember rules of debit and credit?
Yes, sir. Debit, what comes in credit, what? Yes, sir. I do
Okay.
remember.
Okay, so this is the related with account, type of account.
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me now how many types of account?
No, sir. I don't remember.
Okay, what is the rule of debit? What comes in, credit, what goes out? It is related to which account?
Oh, okay. Personal, nominal. Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Wait,
Okay,
every account has balance, I guess.
how many types of account? First, tell me this.
Three types of accounts.
Okay, which one?
Real,
Name.
personal, nominal.
Okay, now tell me which type of account has balance which is carried forwarded to next year?
Sir, every account has balance.
Every account has balance? No,
Yes,
actually, in ledger, I have taught you that every account has balance, but there is one thing which is incorrect.
okay, sir.
Which was incorrect, you can say, because we have to teach that how to transfer the balance. That's why we calculate the balance in each and every account. But there is a concept I told you at the time of preparing the ledger, that nominal account don't have any balance, doesn't have any balance.
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me why?
Because it's because only names. No, sir, I can't tell you why.
Okay, so the first of all, nominal account means the expenses income. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, to understand this concept, first we will understand the personal and real concept, after that nominal. Okay, so personal account. Personal account includes name of person or organization. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's say you have a business.
Yes.
Mm, okay, this is your business. Okay,
Yes.
and you have sold some goods to Nana on credit. Okay,
Yes.
and she has paid you 3,000 during the year. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have sold goods on, let's say, August 5th, and she paid you cash on September 10th. Okay. Now
Can you
comes
repeat?
year end. Yes, you were saying something?
No, sir. When did I sell it to Naina?
August 5th.
August. Okay, sir.
And you have received September 10th, 3,000 cash.
Okay, sir.
Now, on March 31st, there is how much balance payable by Nana to you?
Payable.
Amount payable by
2,000.
Nana to you.
2,000. 2,000.
So it is receivable for you and payable for Nana. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, at the end of year on March 31st, can Nana tell you that year is ending, so let's finish our balances and I will not pay you 2,000 and you will agree to it?
No, sir. No, sir.
It's business, means if there is some amount payable or receivable at the end of the year, you have to pay it in the next year. Yes or no?
Yes.
It cannot be finished. It cannot be removed from book merely by ending of a year.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so at the end of every year, we will calculate the balance of each personal account, okay, and carry forward it to next year.
Yes, sir.
Because due to end of the year, there is no effect on balance. It will be carried forwarded to next year, always. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that's why personal account balance is carried forwarded to the next year. Now the real account. A real account example is simple. Let's say you purchased a furniture on September 10th. $20,000. Yes. On March 31st, furniture value will be, can you tell me?
Next
What
year.
will be? Yes, next year, March 31st. Actually, the year start from April and it ends on March. Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is financial year. So I'm taking this financial year. So if we have purchased goods on September 10th and we want to know the balance on March 31st, both of these are same financial year.
Okay.
Okay. So what will be the value of furniture we will show in our books on March 31st?
For the same amount.
Yes, it will be the same amount because there is no purchase or sale of furniture during the year. So it will be 20,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now in next year, should we remove this furniture from our book and write furniture as nil? Is
No,
this
sir.
correct treatment?
No, sir.
Yes. In the next year, we cannot say that we don't have any furniture left because there is 20,000 worth of furniture we have. So we have to show it in our book at 20,000 in next year also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So furniture balance is also carry forwarded to the next year. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So like furniture, in the same manner, machine, land, building, cash, stock, every assets, every real account has a balance which is carry forwarded to the next year. So real account balance is also transferred to the next period.
Okay.
Okay. Now nominal account. Now this is our question. Why nominal account balance is not carry forwarded? Okay, let's say rent. We pay rent every month.
Yes, sir.
So from April to March, we have paid rent of 5,000 for the 12 months. Okay. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is April 2022. This is March 2023. Can we say that we have paid rent for 12 months? So we will leave in that building or in that room in up to May 2023 also.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we will say that we have paid this 60,000 for the previous year for the 12 month of previous year. Okay. So we will use this building or this house up to May 2023 without paying any rent.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
He paid for 12 months, so
So he will get 2 extra months for free.
no, sir. According to him, he paid 12 months. Also.
Yes, according to rule, he paid for 12 months, so he can live up to 12 months only.
Yes, sir. He can only live up to 12 months.
So my question was, can he demand to live in that house up to May 2023 without paying any rent?
No, sir.
Okay. So if he has paid a rent for the month of March, then it cannot go or it cannot be used in April.
Yes, sir.
Again, if you have an employee and you have paid him for salary for the month of May. Okay. Yes or
Okay.
no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you have paid the salary for the month of May, you can tell him to work in June for free without any payment of salary. Yes.
No, sir.
We cannot say to him because he will say that I have worked for you in May and I have received payment for May only. So I will not work for you in June for free because you are paying me the salary for my work. Okay. And I am working for you for salary purpose. So I'm not working for you free.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So all these type of expenses, all these type of income is related to certain time period. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It cannot be said that if we have paid the salary of for the month of May, we will use it in June. If we have paid rent for the month of March, then we will leave up to the month of May. We cannot say like this. Okay. So all the nominal account is related to certain period and it cannot be carry forwarded to the next period.
Okay.
Okay. So this is why nominal account is not carry forwarded to the next period. Nominal account is written off in current year only.
Okay.
Okay. So there is two accounts that has some balance, which is carry forwarded to next year. One is real account. The second is personal account.
Yes.
Okay. There is so opening entry we pass for balance of previous year, which is brought forward. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So balance of previous year, when we take that balance in current year, it is called opening entry. Okay. We will show you that how we will pass opening entry. But first, we will understand all the entries that we have written here. Second is closing entry. Now, the balance left in our account is carry forwarded to the next period. Okay. And which account balance is forwarded? Which account balance is forwarded?
What's the word? Can you repeat it again, sir?
Yes, I am saying that which account balance will be carry forwarded to the next period?
Which account?
Yes, which type of account?
Personal and real.
Personal and real. And which account, which type of account balance cannot be carried forwarded?
Nominal.
So nominal account balance cannot be carried forwarded. That's why we pass closing entry for nominal accounts. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So opening entry is for real and personal account and closing entry is for nominal account. Now, at the end of every year, there is rent, salary, and you can say discount. All these accounts should be closed. Means there should be no balance in these accounts. Now let's take rent account as example. To whatever the amount, let's say 5,000 on the debit side, there is payment of rent of rupees 5,000. Okay, in current year. So if we have to close this account, then there should be no balance in this account. Yes.
Yes, sir.
If there is any balance, then it will be carry forwarded to next period. But like I told you before, there is no balance in nominal account. So we cannot write by balance sheet. We have to write something else that will close this account. So generally, for this kind of transaction, for these nominal accounts, we write final account name. Final account name means either trading account or profit and loss. Okay. So for rent purpose, it will be profit and loss of 5,000. Now you can see there is a debit side of 5,000 and credit side of 5,000 also. So account will be closed. Is this clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So all the nominal account is transferred to final account. And in final account, there is two types of account. One is trading and the second is profit and loss. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So some of the expenses or income is transferred to trading account and some of the income and expenses is transferred to profit and loss account.
Okay, sir.
So rent is transferred to profit and loss at the end of the year. So at the end of the year, all the expenses that we have recorded in our books, all the income, all the profit, all the loss, these accounts will be closed at the end of the year by transferring the balance from these accounts to any final account, any of these two final account, trading account or profit and loss account. So let's take purchase. In current year, we have purchased 1 lakh worth of goods. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, at the end of current year, we cannot transfer this purchase to the next year. Okay. Purchase is an expenses, a nominal account. So it cannot be carried forwarded to next year. So we have to close purchase account in current year. Okay. In the debit side, if it is written to whatever the name of person or cash transaction we have done for purchase, we will record all the these names or cash on the debit side of purchase account. After that, we will transfer the total to trading account. Okay, trading account that we prepare in final account. So the balance will be transferred to trading account and purchase account will be closed. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. It is confusing for you? If it is, then you can tell me.
It is confusing.
Okay. So when I will explain the balance part, okay, when I will explain the question to you in next class, then I think this will be little easy for you to understand. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After that, if problem exists, then I will explain it differently.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then if you don't have any doubt right now, then that's all for today.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.